Hi everybody, it's Chris Proulx in the North Conway studio, joined remotely by Carol Sullivan of the White Mountain Hotel. Let's bring her in. Carol, how are you doing today?
Excellent, Chris. Thanks for having me.
Well, we're excited to have you talk to us. You've got a lot going on at the White Mountain Hotel. $3.5 million in renovations. Tell us what's going on at the White Mountain Hotel.
Yes, we do have a lot going on. It's very exciting coming off this year of COVID and restrictions. It's very exciting to be investing in the community and investing in our team and investing in the White Mountain Hotel. We have, as you said, launched a $3.5 million renovation project that started on March 1st. And we are renovating all of our guest rooms, completely renovating all of our guest rooms, furniture and fixtures, new bathrooms and new corridors, as well as some exterior improvements with new siding, trim, and new windows and heating units. So it's a big project. We are scheduled to reopen Memorial Day weekend, and we're very excited about that. And there is definitely interest and pent-up demand for summer travel, so we're very excited.
All right. Well, if you are looking forward to a White Mountain vacation in your near future, you definitely want to check out the White Mountain Hotel. Tell us a little bit about the White Mountain Hotel for those who aren't familiar with it, because it is one of my favorite spots in the White Mountains, a little oasis of hospitality, fine food, activities.
Thank you, Chris. I appreciate that. Yeah, we're nestled in between the state and national forest. It makes our location very unique and very relevant to travel today. People want to travel, but they want to be outside, enjoying the outside activities. We are family owned and operated, which I think makes us really special. And we celebrated our 30th anniversary last July 1st. So we are very much a part of the community and love being a part of this community of travel and tourism in the Mount Washington Valley area.
All right, so a lot going into renovating, more comfort, more just great hospitality at the hotel. You also have activities, including 9 holes of golf right on premises. Tell us a little bit about that, and I guess you're welcoming a new golf pro this summer.
We are. We have the Hales Location golf course, which is a 9-hole professional length course on property. It's a great course, very challenging, par 36, with stunning views of the mountains and the Mt Mountain range. It's really beautiful. And to make that even better, we are welcoming a new golf pro this season. Kim O'Neill comes to us from some prominent courses in Vermont and has really made a name for himself in the PGA. And so we're very excited to have him join us this spring when the course opens on May 1st.
That is fantastic. You mentioned nestled right at the base of Whitehorse Ledge. I've golfed there before and seen peregrine falcons flying over. It's just so spectacular. Lots of visitors expected this summer and fall, just like last summer. What is your expectation? Is it going to be a busy summer and fall?
I feel that it is going to be a very busy summer and fall. My colleagues with New England Inns and Resorts, which represent properties from all over New England, definitely have the same feeling that with vaccinations rolling out, New Hampshire's been very successful with their vaccination rollout, as with other New England states. And we feel that there is definitely pent-up demand. People will want to travel this summer and fall. Our advanced bookings for summer and fall are very strong. So we feel that we can provide still a safe and comfortable environment while people still want to travel, but still enjoy the outdoors and all the area has to offer.
All right. Are there any considerations that you're aware of? I know New Hampshire has been lifting travel restrictions as well as other states. What's the outlook right now for booking your New Hampshire vacation?
Yeah, the Governor Sununu did lift the restrictions. There are no restrictions any longer for quarantine for travel, not only in the New England states, but nationwide. So New Hampshire right now has no quarantine restrictions for traveling into New Hampshire. And obviously, if you are 14 days post your second vaccination, There are also no quarantine restrictions for those that have been vaccinated. So these are all positive steps for travel and tourism. Maine has followed the same suit, and on the 6 New England states, they are free to travel. And on May 22nd, there is no longer a national quarantine restriction. So all those things are positive steps for travel.
All right. Well, if you are looking to book a White Mountain vacation this summer, next fall and beyond, definitely consider the White Mountain Hotel. I love it because it's nestled just off of North Conway, so it's a little quieter, it's a little more scenic, but yet you're so close to all of the activities, from hiking to shopping and dining in North Conway to all of the resort activities and family attractions in the area. It is a great place to make your home base for your vacation. And is it still true that you don't have to stay at the White Mountain Hotel to enjoy some of the amenities like the restaurant and the golf course?
Yes, absolutely. I'm glad you mentioned that. We do have an award-winning restaurant, Ledges, on property, which is very popular, as you probably know, not only for hotel guests, but for the public as well. We do highly suggest reservations. We do book reservations for dining through Open Table. And it has a beautiful panoramic view of Mount Cranmore and Mount Kearsarge. So it's a spectacular view with award-winning dining, and we do welcome outside guests for golf and dining as well.
And I still will tell people, anybody who's asking for dining recommendations here in the Mount Washington Valley, hands down, the best overall dinner I've ever had in the Valley was at the White Mountain Hotel in terms of just food and ambience and just my overall memory of that meal. I'm always looking to duplicate that, so I may have to head back to the White Mountain Hotel.
You have to come back.
All right, we're talking with Carol Sullivan of the White Mountain Hotel in Hales Location, in just outside of North Conway. Carol, anything else before we say goodbye?
That's it. We look forward to welcoming you, and when we reopen with these wonderful new renovations, everyone will have to come up and check that out.
All right. If we want more information or if we want to make a reservation, where do we go?
You can go to our website, whitemountainhotel.com, and you can book dining reservations on Open Table and reservations on our website.
Fantastic. Carol Sullivan, White Mountain Hotel. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Chris.
All right. You're watching White Mountains TV.